Mom, I don't understand why you always put yourself first. You know I needed you at my school play last night, but you didn't show up.
Oh, come on, Sarah. You're old enough to handle these things on your own. Besides, I needed a break, and my spa appointment was already booked. I can't cancel those last minute, you know.
A spa appointment? That's your excuse. This was important to me, Mom. I worked so hard for this role, and all I wanted was for you to be there.
Look, Sarah, I do so much for this family already. I deserve some time for myself. You have no idea how stressful my week has been.
Stressful? You mean planning coffee dates with your friends and your shopping trips? Because that's all I see you doing these days.
Don't take that tone with me, young lady. You have no idea what it's like to keep this household running smoothly.
Really? Running smoothly? You hardly cook, we're always out of groceries, and Dad handles most of the bills. What exactly are you managing?
Excuse me. Do you think I'm some kind of servant here? I've worked hard for years. I've earned the right to focus on myself now.
Focusing on yourself doesn't mean forgetting about me, Mom. I needed you last night. Just like I needed you at my science fair last month. And my parent-teacher meeting before that. You're never there when it counts.
Life doesn't revolve around you, Sarah. Sometimes, you just have to learn to deal with disappointment. That's part of growing up.
No, Mom. Disappointment is when things don't work out. Not when your own mother constantly chooses herself over you. That's not normal.
You're being overly dramatic. You'll see when you're older. Life isn't easy. And you can't always expect people to be there for you.
People. You're my mother. I should be able to count on you. But you've made it very clear that I'm just another inconvenience in your day.
Sarah, you don't understand. When I was your age, no one pampered me. I had to learn independence the hard way. I'm just teaching you the same lesson.
Independence? Is that what you call this? Because it feels more like abandonment. You're not teaching me to be strong, you're teaching me to live without you.
That's not fair. I love you, Sarah. I'm just trying to balance my own needs with everything else.
Love isn't about balance, Mom. It's about showing up when it matters. And you never do.
I didn't realize you felt this way. But you have to understand, I can't be everywhere all the time.
I'm not asking for everything, Mom. I'm just asking for something. But I guess that's too much to expect.
Let's not blow this out of proportion, okay? Maybe I'll come to your next event.
It's not about the next event, Mom. It's about how many times I've already been let down. I need to stop waiting for you to care.
Don't talk like that. You'll regret saying these things someday.
Maybe I will. Or maybe I'll just learn to stop hoping for something you can't give. I've got homework to do. Enjoy your me time, Mom. I'm done trying.